Hi, so today is the second day of the fighting of COCs for the election in May 2019. I remember the days when I applied at Comelec in October 14, 2015. Yeah, I did apply as president. But anyway, what happened was I was made to be a viral subject on the internet, all because of some media offices created some, you know, hyped videos of me at Facebook. And I really resent having those comments from the netizens because it did make my mom ill. She got temporary amnesia because of it, and I couldn't actually leave the house without people giving me negative comments for applying as president in 2015. They were saying bad things to me. I didn't mind to read all of them because it was really painful. I felt so bullied, so beaten up, and I'm just thankful that Inquirer did make a nice posting about me other newspaper and website, and but other than that, I really felt bad about the other uh people in the media that did make fun and made money out of my application at the Comelec. Well, I feel bad for the people who's gonna be ending up bashed by the netizens similar to me in the current application at the Senate at the Comelec for election of May 2019. But as for me, no politics as I promised myself because it's really gonna make my mom sick. It's really gonna make my family sick, and most of all, I'm sick of it, man, because the Filipinos hate me so much. Anyways, what else? I'm really happy now with the White House and the acknowledgement that I get from President Trump, especially when he sends me letter with his signature. And I'm happy receiving newsletters from the White House, and they practically, have an idea who I am and accepts me in the as a as part of the Trump team. Me, Edward Feist, and Church and CF Church, spiritual organization. And but no, I'll never go back there and the government uh post because people will eat you alive. Yeah, it's not true that ordinary people are given equal treatment at Comelec, that they don't have VIPs there. I don't think so. I mean, if you're not as famous as the other politicians, one one day, I know, you're just gonna see your face falling flat on the floor because you're just gonna be bullied, you know. Anyways, I'm sorry for the people that I'm gonna be mentioning right now, but I really have plans. If I can vote next year, May 2019, I have plans of voting for Amy Marcos as senator if she applies, and Agata Cedro. I know they both belong in different, you know, teams, but I think those two women are really um a really strong individual, and they're very educated, and they really are proper to represent the office of the Senate. My video right now is black and white because, like, look at this. That. I've got a pimple. Perhaps because I'm lazy on washing my face. Sometimes it's over 8 hours and I haven't, like, washed my face. I just put alcohol in it to remove the oil. Yeah. Anyway, so what else? Oh yeah, on Sunday I'll be seeing Ella. She's my teenager friend from my brother's political team, and we're gonna eat at Robinson's Magnolia because it's my pre-birthday meal sharing with my future barkada. Yeah, I'm turning 43 on October 17, and my barkada is a teenager. I really feel off when I'm with married women, and especially women who's got children, because, like, I'm still single. Hoping to see advice soon. Yeah. Anyway. Rockin' Robin. Rockin' Robin.